your camera is off. And that is something that laptops have a feature of. And that is... Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can use camera on your Google Chrome. So this tutorial is going to be fast and easy, but first I want to give an example. Let's say we want to go over here to Google Meet, and you're having problems with setting up your camera. So if we try and go into a Google Meet, I'm gonna try and sign in into my account really quick. Okay, now that we're here and we try to go into a new meeting, I'm going to have my camera enabled. And as you can see, my face is currently on the screen, but I am blurring it for privacy reasons. So if for some reason it shows a camera with a slash in the middle, like this one, if it looks like that, that means your camera is off. And that is something that laptops have a feature of. And that is a sort of feature that is available in laptops, which is usually, for mine, it is on the F10 key. And if I press this F10 key alongside my function key on the bottom left corner of my keyboard, which is something that's not available in every laptop, it should turn on the camera back. So it's that thing that turns it on and off. And another thing, in order to properly use it on Google Chrome, is that you need to make sure that you have given Google Chrome your permission to use your camera. You can find it here on the top left part of your screen, the site information. You see that the camera is being used now, but sometimes this can be turned off, and what you'll just show is just your profile picture. So you can turn it on, and sometimes you can head over to the Chrome settings to see more of your camera settings, and you can see which one of the camera you are using now. For me, I have USB 2.0, which is the built-in camera for my laptop, and I also have OBS virtual camera. Then there's also the virtual behavior, which is where the sites can ask to use your camera. So usually there should be a permission that would a pop-up that would appear whether you want to allow or deny access to your camera. And there's also the default settings, which you can set into so that it doesn't allow any sites at all to access your camera. And then below here you have the sites that you have allowed to access your camera. So the more you go over Google and go through websites that have features where it needs to use camera, when it's set to this, then it will ask for permission before it can use your camera. Allow it access and it should turn on your camera. Deny it access and it should not allow your camera to turn on. And remember what I said earlier, there's always a key on your keyboard that can turn off and on your camera as well. So check that if you see the slash button in the middle. Make sure to press function and then the key, which is F10 for me, at the same time. But for some other keyboards, you might need to search it up on how it can work. But for laptops, it works just like that. And that's it. That is how you can use your camera on Google Chrome. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.